Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here. It's July 20th, bringing you your morning coffee. We've got the grains working higher right now. Once again, corn up about 13 cents. Beans finding strength once again. August beans up 28. The November's up about 21 right now, with wheat actually trading just a little bit higher. The beans leading the way, as I mentioned. Once again, meal. The strongest component of the bean complex. The meal has rallied more than $55 in the last 3 days. So very strong move. It was limit up a few days ago, 18 higher yesterday. Right now it's working about 17 to 18 higher again. That's keeping some strength here for beans. So it's the whole rush to protein right now for a lot of these guys, as the DDGs have really slipped back as ethanol production slows down. You've got a rush to protein. So they're buying up meal. They're buying meal in a big way. They're buying the front month because I need it now. So that's keeping beans extremely strong. The weather over the last few days, some areas had gotten some pretty good rains. There were some storms that came through here the last couple days, leaving behind some pretty good rain totals. But that's more toward the north. The southern areas, maybe not, didn't get a lot of rain, if any at all, once again. So that's going to still be affected as next week. A lot of guys are looking at some very warm weather coming in, talking about 100-plus days again through the midsection of the Corn Belt. So that's going to be a problem, and it's going to keep the bulls strong and buying dips at this point as well. So something to consider. Fridays are usually pretty wild trade just because you've got guys getting ready for those good to excellent ratings on Monday. The northern areas had gotten some rain. We'll see what happens. But next week could be the hottest week that we've seen. That's probably going to continue to give us some support here at lower levels. So continue watching that. As far as some of the outside markets today that may affect our markets, the dollar very strong right now, up 41. So a lot of chatter right now that the Euro finance chief approved Spain's bank rescue. It could be up to about $100 billion, or a billion euros, that they do get approved. We'll find out the exact amount in September is what they're saying, but the actual approval of it has been signed. So we'll see. But with the energies working higher, or with the dollar working higher, you do have crude oil setting back a little bit. You've got the energies all lower right now. We've seen a good run, but we're up against some resistance right now for crude. We are down after about a 5-day rally that we've seen. Looking at the livestock, fat cattle right now down about 25 cents. A lot of eyes are going to be on this cattle on feed report this evening. That does come out at 2 o'clock Central Time. Some of the average guesses right now that are out there, we're looking for on feed of about 102.7, looking for placements at 98.6, and marketings at 93.6. So those are just some of the average guesses. That's going to probably affect the cattle, but we'll probably see a lot of pushing around here ahead of that report, so be prepared for that. As far as the hogs, we're mixed right now. We did see the cash markets all firming up a little bit. Wholesale pork trying to bounce a little bit here from these lows that we've seen, and that may try to keep a little support. We saw a good turnaround here yesterday, and we may end up seeing some more follow-through here as we finish out the week. But continue watching that. There are some good signs right now for the hogs, and maybe we'll see that pricing try to firm up as well. So a lot of information today, guys. Call over here with any questions. 800-262-7538. You could check us out online, allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and we'll talk to you later.